Welcome to Agricultural Development Trust, Sharda Bai Pawar, Mahila Arts Commerce Science College, Sharda Nagar, Baramati. I am Professor Poonam Mishra, brought for you the subject Bookkeeping and Accountancy, in which we are learning chapter number 7, Bills of Exchange. Students, in the last video, we had seen the journal entry for the first case, that was when the bill is retained by the drawer till the due date. Now, in this video, we are going to learn the second case of the bill, that is second scenario of the bill, in which the drawer discount the bill with the bank. In this case, students, what happens after drawing the bill? The drawer will be in the urgent need of cash before the due date. For example, Mr. has given the due date for the payment of the bill, that is 2 months, but after 1 month he need a cash. Mr. A need a cash for his some urgent work. So what are the option available with him? So first option is which is available with him, he will go to any of the bank and he will discount the bank with the bank, and bank gives bill amount to the drawer by deducting some charges. It means bank will also earn some income by doing this transaction. So what if the bill amount is 30,000, so Mr. A will not get the whole 30,000 rupees. Out of that, some service charges, some discount amount will be deducted by the bank. For example, Mr. A has presented the bill of rupees 30,000 with the bank, and the bank has given only 28,000, and it has deducted 2,000 as a service charge or discounting charge. So student, in this case, you know that what will happen. It is the situation in which drawee is not involved. It is the situation drawee is not involved, so the discounting entry will have the effect only in the books of drawer, because in this transaction only the drawer and bank is involved. So the first entry after this case will be bill discounted with bank, and after discounting, what can happen? Discounted bill can be honored on due date, so payment will not be received by the drawer. Now this time the payment will be received by the bank, students, because drawer already has given his bill to bank. So now if the bill is already discounted with bank, this entry is been made. The second entry of honoring of bill will be with drawee and the bank. In that case, the drawer will not be involved. But second thing can happen, if the drawee did not pay the bill on the due date. Okay, so it means discounted bill is dishonored. So Mr. A has discounted the bill with the bank, which will not be paid on the due date, that is discounted bill will be dishonored. So dishonored entry will be same for all type of situation, student, that is drawing bills receivable account, drawee account debit to bills receivable. So this will be the entry. And next, students, for this next step can be the noting charges, which will be paid by the drawer, but it will be bear by the drawee in the new bill. And after that, if the drawee has some money and he wants to pay, so he will do the part payment. At that time, the part payment entry will also we have to make. So part payment entry is also common in all cases. And last entry after this dishonoring of bill will be fresh bill will be prepared after deducting the part payment. If part payment is not done, the fresh bill will be prepared for whole the amount, including the noting charges, students. Now let's see the journal entry, students. So accounting treatment in the books of drawer and drawee. First, the bill is discounted with the bank. So discounting entry will be like this. Drawer discounts the bill with the bank. So bank account debit, bank is a receiver of the bill, sorry, discounted bill with the bank. So what comes to the drawer? Amount or the cash comes in the drawer's account. So bank account debit to discount account debit. Some discount charges will be deducted by the bank, and that is loss for the drawer, and that's why this discount will be written on the debit side. And what will go from the drawer? That is bills receivable will go from the drawers. Again I am repeating, students, drawer is discounting the bill with the bank. So remember what is coming and what is going. So we are in the books of drawer. So drawer receives the cash and bank. So bank account debit, since it is a transaction with the bank, so bank account will be debited, means his bill amount will be credited to his bank account. So bank account debit. Discount is a loss for the drawer because he will not get whole amount of the bill. Some amount will be deducted from the bill amount, so that is loss for him, so it will be debited. And what is going out from the drawer, that is bills receivable. So in discounting of bill with bank, drawee is not involved, students. So there will no any entry because drawee is not a party in this transaction. So next, what can happen? Bill is discounted. Now on the due date, that bill is honored. That bill is being paid by the drawee. So now bill is not with the drawer. The bill is with the bank. So there will no entry because the drawer has already received the cash. So the honored entry or payment entry will not come in the drawer's book. Okay. So next, the entry will come in the drawee's book because drawee is making the payment on the due date. So the honoring bill entry of the drawee will be the same in all four situations. So what comes to the drawee? Bills payable comes to the drawee, and what goes from the drawee? Cash and bank account goes from the drawee. So narration will be being our acceptance honored. Okay. Second, what can happen, student? Discounted bill dishonored on the due date. So now bill is dishonored on the due date. So sorry, dishonor entry will be drawee's account debit. In dishonor entry, student, always remember that drawee will be in the debit side, and the credit side will be with whom the bill is there. So now after discounting the bill, where is the bill? It is with the bank. And if the bill is with the drawer, so in the books of drawer we would have written drawee account debit to bills receivable. But now in this case the bill is with the bank, so drawee account debit to bank account. Now you will think, if the bill is with the bank, so why the drawer is recording the dishonoring entry? Yes, student, if the bill is honored, no entry will be there in the drawer's book. But if the bill is dishonored, the drawer will take into the charge, and he will come in the action and he will record that entry in his book. So drawee account debit to bank account. Okay. Now students, so dishonoring entry will be the reverse of this entry. So bank will be here bills payable to the drawer. Okay. Bank here, if bank is not there, what we would have written? Bills receivable. So if bills receivable is there, what will be the reverse of this? Bills payable. Okay. So bills payable, so drawee is here, so here you will write drawer's name. So bills payable account debit to drawer. This is the dishonoring entry. So honoring and dishonoring entry of the drawee will be the same for all four situations, student. So please keep it in mind. Okay, now discounted bill dishonored with the noting charges. So you can see, students, this entry is same in both the cases. Only one thing is added, noting charges. So if you don't want to remember this entry, you can remember this three entry only. If the noting charges is there, it will be added in the dishonor amount. Okay, so rest three entry is not given here, student, because it is depend upon the situation. If the drawee will make some payment of the bill, means the on dishonored entry we have recorded, and if the drawee is paying part payment, so part payment entry will be there. Noting charges is already added in this, or it is recorded already. So part payment, and again the fresh bill will be prepared with the noting charges amount. So these two entry is situational, that's why it is not given in your textbook, but you have to do while solving it. Now let's see this third case, students. So why I have kept this case as a third case, because bill discounted with bank and bill sent to bank for collection by the drawer, some students get confused between these two. So that's why I have put it one by one, one after another, so that your doubt will be cleared. Okay students, so now bill discounted with bank is the concept where the drawer can go in any of the bank, whether he is having his saving account there or not. Okay, he is asking, he is demanding the amount of the bill from that bank. Okay, and this is the third case in which account amount is will be credited to drawer's account only, but who will collect the bill amount, this will be collected by the drawer's bank. So drawer's bank means in which bank the drawer is having the saving account. So he is giving, like nowadays people give the order to their bank that please pay my monthly light bill, rent from my account, so the person can save his time. So for saving the time, drawer inform his bank that please collect my bill amount and credit into my bank, a saving bank account. So this is the little bit different from discounting bill with bank, students, so please mind it. So for some reason drawer, he means drawer, cannot collect the bill. So Mr. A is a drawer who has made the bill and he has kept the bill with him till the due date, but in between he just informed his bank that please collect my bill amount and keep into my account. So what he will do, he will send the bill to his bank for collection, and the bank having the saving account of Mr. A will collect the amount of the bill on the due date. So in this case, students, again the two situation can be happen. It can be honored on due date, or it can be dishonored on due date. If the bill is honored, you already know the entry. So bill sent, first entry will be bill sent to bank for collection. The second can be that bill is honored on due date. If bill is not honored, it will be dishonored. If bill is dishonored, so noting charges will have to be paid. And if the drawee is paying some part payment, it will be recorded and then the fresh bill will be made. So now let's see the journal entry for these students. So here is a journal entry for this situation. So you can see those all four entries in which first bill is sent to bank for collection. So bill in that bill discounted with bank, we had seen bank account only was the debit. Now here the being sent for collection account debit to bills receivable. So bill sent for bank for bill sent to bank. Add this word here, it is not given in this entry, but you will add, students. So bill sent to bank for collection account debit to bills receivable. Yes, so bill will go with the bank for collection account and the bills receivable will go from the drawer to bank. And there will not be any entry in the drawings because in this entry drawings is not involved. Yes, now the bill sent to bank for collection honored on the due date and bank charges debited by the bank. As you know that the bank is giving the service to Mr. A, so bank will deduct some charges from that. So bank account debited. Okay, here drawer's bank account will be debited because money is received, but the bank charges is a loss for the Mr. A, that will be recorded on the debit side. Two bills sent for collection. Yes, who is the giver? The bill sent to bank for collection will be giving all these things. Okay, so the reverse entry of this in the books of drawee will be the payment or honoring entry is same of in all cases, that bills payable account debit comes to the drawee and cash and bank account goes from the drawee's account. So being our acceptance honored, being bill honored, so this will be the narration. So what can another thing happen? The bill can be dishonored on the due date. So again the drawee account will be debited in dishonor entry and the credit will be given with whom the bill is there. So now the bill is with bank which is sent for collection. So you have to write drawee account debit to bill sent to bank for collection, and that dishonor entry will be the same in case of drawee in all situation, that is bills payable account debit to drawers account. Now students, now this honor entry is given with the noting charges. So already I told you that we can combine these two entry because the whole entry is one and the same, only one thing is added here. So what we'll do, what most of the time in solution is given, that this two entry is get combined. Okay students, so now you can see students that this 4 entry is given, and you know that if part payment is given by the drawee, it will be recorded and fresh bill will be drawn. So fresh will be drawn students, so the entry will be the one and the same, which is which you have learned at the initial state, that bill drawn and accepted by the drawee. So it will, if the bill is second or third, the entry will be the same in all cases. So the one entry will copy and pasted here in the fresh bill also. Okay students, so hope you understood the journal entry. Any query, any doubt, you can ask me in the Google Meet session. Till that, keep doing study and keep preparing the notes, because if the notes is completed, you can write your assignments. So I don't want any content from anywhere else. Whatever assignment I will give you, the answer should be from my given notes only students, because I have made it easier for you. So you don't go and search anywhere for writing the answer, you just follow my given notes. Thank you.